Howdy, Chef Pete is here, and you know what? If you're tired of having big, bulky blenders, food processors, all these things on your counter, you need to get you one of these. This is a Cuisinart. Look at this. You can grip it like this. It's ergonomic, right? It's a Cuisinart Smart Stick variable speed blender, right? Okay? But it isn't your grandma's hand blender, because these have been around for years. This particular one is a versatile tool that the kitchen can now embrace. And it purees soups. It purees soups. And you can make smoothies with this. And then you can whip cream. Here's the whipped cream connector into there. And you can also connect this device, this hand device. You can connect this into this device, which is a small little chopper blender. So you can make your, instead of dragging all your appliances out, you have your ergonomic Cuisinart, there it is, hand blender, okay? Alrighty. So it has a powerful motor, alrighty, and you've got included attachments. So you've got this particular attachment, which is a food processor, right? It's a food processor. You put the Cuisinart on here, and then you put your things in it, and you have a small food processor rather than dragging out your giant size one. And
Well, what does it do? Does it chop?
It does chop, but we also can make dough in here. There's all types of things we can do with this particular smaller type of food processor, okay? And then we can also do other things. You can make egg whites. You have the whisk that it comes with, egg whites, and you can do cream, whipping cream, pancake batter too. It does pancake batter, all with this little whip attachment that it comes with, okay? But the soups, the smoothies, sauces, and it is space saving. So there you go. You've got something. These average around 60 bucks on Amazon. You can go to HSN or QVC. They might be more, they might be a little less. But this is a new addition to our kitchen, the Carpizzo's test kitchen and regular kitchen. And I will be making different things with this to show you how it works as we move forward with our new Cuisinart Smart Stick variable speed hand blender. So, Happy New Year, everybody. We have something new to show you. Okay, so this is Pete. Remember, subscribe if you haven't. It doesn't cost a thing. And remember, we cook, eat, and enjoy. And sometimes we use new little gadgets and kitchen appliances to do the job. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzo's wishing you all the best. Out.